you're not alone. Juggling projects, clients, and internal tasks can feel like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. Deadlines loom, information gets lost in email chains, and suddenly that crucial presentation you forgot about is due in, oh no, 10 minutes. Sound familiar? If you're nodding along, then you might need a project management tool like ClickUp in your life. But with so many options out there, why ClickUp? And how can a small business like yours leverage its features to achieve maximum productivity and ditch the overwhelm? Well, buckle up, because we're diving deep into ClickUp for small businesses. From chaos to ClickUp, the power of organization. Imagine a world where all your projects, tasks, and communication live in one place. A place that's flexible enough to adapt to your specific workflow, yet powerful enough to handle complex projects. That's the beauty of ClickUp. Here's the magic: ClickUp isn't a rigid task manager. It's a platform that lets you organize your work however you see fit. Think of it as a digital toolbox with different functionalities to tackle different needs. The ClickUp toolbox: must-have features for small businesses, spaces and lists, the foundation of organization. ClickUp uses a hierarchical structure, starting with workspaces. These are essentially containers for all your business-related projects. Within workspaces, you create lists. Think of lists as specific categories for your projects. Maybe you have a list for marketing campaigns, another for product development, and so on. This initial organization keeps things tidy from the get-go. Tasks and subtasks. Breaking down the big stuff. Now let's get granular. Within your lists, you create tasks. These are the actionable items that make up your projects. ClickUp allows you to break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks, making that overwhelming presentation suddenly seem less daunting. Here's the kicker: ClickUp lets you nest subtasks within tasks. So, for your presentation task, you could have subtasks for research, drafting, design, and final edits. This nested structure keeps everything organized and ensures nothing gets missed. Views. See your work your way. ClickUp offers a variety of views to visualize your workload. There's a list view for a simple checklist approach, a board view for a Kanban-style workflow, think sticky notes on a board, and even a calendar view to see deadlines looming large. The best part? You can switch between views depending on the project and your personal preference. Goals and dependencies. Keeping the big picture in mind, ClickUp isn't just about to-do lists. It allows you to set overarching goals for your projects, keeping your team focused on the bigger picture. You can even set dependencies between tasks, ensuring certain tasks are completed before others can begin. This keeps your workflow streamlined and avoids roadblocks. Collaboration and communication. Teamwork makes the dream work. Running a small business often means wearing multiple hats. ClickUp fosters collaboration by allowing you to assign tasks to team members, add comments for discussions, and use real-time chat within tasks. No more endless email chains or confusion about who's doing what. Automation and integrations. Supercharge your workflow. ClickUp integrates with a wide range of popular business tools like Gmail, Slack, and Dropbox. This means you can automate repetitive tasks and centralize all your work in one place. Imagine automatically creating a ClickUp task from a new Gmail email, or attaching a Dropbox file directly to a task. ClickUp becomes your central hub for everything business-related. ClickUp for small businesses. Beyond the basics. These are just a few of the ways ClickUp empowers small businesses. But its true beauty lies in its customizability. You can tailor ClickUp to fit your specific needs, whether you're a marketing agency, a freelance design team, or a local coffee shop. ClickUp offers a free plan with generous features, perfect for getting your feet wet. Paid plans unlock even more functionality, like increased storage space and advanced reporting tools. So, is ClickUp the right choice for your small business? If you're tired of juggling to-do lists and feeling overwhelmed, then ClickUp is definitely worth considering. Its flexibility, powerful features, and collaborative nature can help your small business streamline workflows, boost productivity, and achieve those ambitious goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy clicking.